again and welcome on board of this Hoek design Kim. In the last video about this refit project, my brother Jelle showed you a tour of all the items we're doing in this refit. Today I want to give you a quick update about it. So the first item I want to show you on Kim is this. The new owner of Kim really had the wish to have a baiting platform on the side, what you can take away. We're going to install this by the use of two stainless steel davits, what you can take away and put in the ship, for example. Here you can already see the fitting mounted to make this happen. In the next weeks we're still going to install the davits and make the baiting platform itself. So what you probably noticed is that Kim now has a Bimini mounted on deck. The owner wanted a Bimini because he's going to sail in nice tropical conditions. And of course for that you want some UV protection. The only thing is, Kim is a ketch rig, so it has two masts and one mizzen standing here in the cockpit. So that means we had to fit the Bimini below the boom of the mizzen mast and behind the boom of the main mast. The canvas maker is going to make a nice canvas with a hole in it so the mizzen mast can go through. So now Kim has a nice Bimini. So a thing you probably notice here is that we did something with the countertops. We removed the beautiful tabs on Kim, and of course we're going to polish them when we mount it back. But because we're here very close to the entrance, the mahogany was a bit colored yellow here because of the UV light. So we removed all the varnish here and we can color the countertops again and re-varnish it so it matches the interior nicely. The owner has sent us a piano he wanted to be fitted inside of the saloon so he can play his music. Don't worry, I won't play it, but I will show you the progress we have made on the water tanks. So a big thing that has changed since the last video is that we've now fitted the stainless steel tanks inside. We also made a very big aluminium frame to hold the tank secure because Kim should be capable of handling all kinds of weather conditions. So now I'm going to show you a big job, what happened in a very small space. So welcome in the small transom of Kim. One item we did here, what was really needed for this boat, is renovate the complete steering installation. Here you see the gearbox, what we take apart completely, and we renewed all the bearings and sealings. So a quick update on the engine room. We finished the fuel system and we finished the bilge system. In the upcoming weeks the electrical is going to be done on this engine room and then the engine room is done. So as you can see, in the last weeks we did quite some things. We hope to do even more in the next weeks. See you in the next one.